And the experience was like, it was like wonderful because understood my inner self, which brings back the true story. It brings us to the real world because I would have planned myself, okay, this is what Avin is, this is what my life purpose is, because this is what I could figure out. Also, I would recommend to people to experience this journey. A lot of people, like, they are like, conditioned because of the social conditioning. They wouldn't have experienced a true self actually, because this will definitely help us to, like, come out of all this conditioning and be ourselves. That will actually gives you a lot of happiness, that will take you to a different world. This is what I truly felt for myself initially. During the first session or second session, I was doubting myself, like, am I good enough to be in this forum? Am I wrong? Am I right? So many things. Because now I have that freedom of expression, or whatever I'm feeling. Okay, I can just talk about it. If I'm right or wrong, you're not going to judge me on that. So that was the one thing, like, I felt in this forum. I had a wonderful time. I really understood myself. So that was a great feeling what I'm having. Yeah. Thank you.